Welcome, everyone, to my lesson on adjectives, descriptive adjectives, and quantitative adjectives. Question: what is an adjective? Answer: an adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. It provides more information about the thing you're talking about, such as what it looks like, how it feels, how many there are, or when it happened. Let's review some phrase examples. In the phrase a big house, big is an adjective because it describes the size of the house. In a red apple, red is an adjective because it describes the color of the apple. Let's review some sentence examples. The beautiful sunset painted the sky in vibrant colors. Beautiful describes the sunset. She wore a green dress to the party. Green describes the dress. The old man walked slowly down the street. Old describes the man. Now it's time for you to practice some example exercises. What are the adjectives in each sentence? Number 1. They live in a small house by the lake. Number 2. The cold wind made me shiver. Number 3. The young girl played with her puppy. Number 4. He is a talented musician. Number 5. I had a delicious meal at the restaurant. I will give you about 5 seconds to decide what are the adjectives in each sentence. All right, time is up. That was more like a countdown than 5 seconds. All right, the adjectives in each sentence are the following. In the first sentence, small. In the second sentence, cold. In the third sentence, young. In the fourth sentence, talented. In the fifth sentence, delicious. Here are the explanations. Small describes the house for number 1. Cold describes the wind for number 2. Young describes the girl for number 3. Talented describes the musician for number 4. Delicious describes the meal for number 5. Now it's time for descriptive adjectives. Question: what is a descriptive adjective? Answer: a descriptive adjective is a word that describes the qualities, characteristics, or features of a noun, such as a person, place, thing, or idea. It gives more specific information about the noun, such as its appearance, size, shape, color, age, texture, or other qualities. Let's go over some examples. Number 1, color. Examples are red, blue, green, yellow. Number 2, size. Examples are big, small, tall, tiny. Number 3, shape. Examples are round, square, oval, triangular. Number 4, age. Examples are old, young, ancient, new. Number 5, texture. Examples are rough, smooth, soft, bumpy. Number 6, emotion or condition. Examples are happy, sad, tired, excited. Let's review some examples where descriptive adjectives are used in sentences. Descriptive adjectives. Number 1, the tall man walked into the room. Tall is the adjective describing man. Number 2, she wore a beautiful dress to the party. Beautiful is the adjective describing dress. Number 3, the cold wind blew through the trees. Cold is the adjective describing wind. Number 4, they adopted a friendly dog from the shelter. Friendly is the adjective describing dog. Now it's time for you to practice some example exercises. What are the descriptive adjectives in each sentence? Number 1, the blue sky is clear today. Number 2, he has a soft voice. Number 3, they live in a large house. Number 4. The young boy played with his toys. Now, let's start the countdown. All right, time is up. Let's go over the answers. The descriptive adjectives in each sentence are the following. Number 1, blue. Number 2, soft. Number 3, large. Number 4, young. Here are the explanations. Blue describes the color of the sky for number 1. Soft describes the texture of the voice for number 2. Large describes the size of the house for number 3. Young describes the age of the boy for number 4. Now, let's go over quantitative adjectives. Question: what is a quantitative adjective? Answer: a quantitative adjective is an adjective that describes the quantity or amount of a noun. It answers questions like how much or how many. These adjectives often specify an exact or approximate number, amount, or degree of something. Let's go over some examples. Number 1, 5 apples. Number 2, several books. Number 3, few people. Number 4, much water. Let's review some examples where quantitative adjectives are used in sentences. Quantitative adjectives. Number 1, 5 students were absent from class today. 5 is the quantitative adjective. Number 2, he has many friends in the city. Many is the quantitative adjective. Number 3, there are few chairs left in the room. Few is the quantitative adjective. Number 4, we drink a lot of water during the hike. A lot of is the quantitative adjective. Number 5, he owns several cars but only drives one regularly. Several is the quantitative adjective. Number 6. Much of the food was already gone by the time we arrived. Much is the quantitative adjective. Number 7. The box contains too many cookies to count. Too many is the quantitative adjective. Now it's time for you to practice some example exercises. What are the quantitative adjectives in each sentence? Number 1. There are 3 cookies left in the jar. Number 2. She has too much work to do today. Number 3. They found a few mistakes in the report. Number 4. I need more sugar for the recipe. Number 5. He drank enough water to stay hydrated. Now let's start the countdown. Okay, time's up. Now let's review the answers. The quantitative adjectives in each sentence are the following. Number 1, 3. Number 2, too much. Number 3, a few. Number 4, more. Number 5, enough. Here are the explanations. Number 1, 3. This is a specific number that tells us the exact quantity of cookies. Number 2, too much. This refers to an excessive amount of work, indicating more than what is needed or manageable. Number 3, a few. This indicates a small number of mistakes, though more than one. Is an indefinite quantity, but suggests a small countable amount. Number 4, more. This suggests a greater amount of sugar than what is currently available or needed. Number 5, enough. This means an adequate or sufficient amount of water to fulfill the need for hydration. We have reached the end of our lesson. Good work! Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and joining me for this lesson on adjectives. See you next time.